Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your display name on Roblox using an Xbox Series X or Series S. And yes, it's completely free and works in 2025. First, it's important to understand the difference. Your username on Roblox is permanent and used for login, but your display name is what other players see in games. Display names are flexible, can be changed every 7 days, and multiple players can use the same one. To change it on Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S, you'll need to use Microsoft Edge, which is already installed on your console. Open Edge, go to roblox.com, and log into your account. Once you're on the Roblox homepage, look for the gear icon in the top right corner and open Account Info. In the display name section, tap the pencil icon next to your current name, type your new display name, and hit Save. Refresh the page, and your new display name will be live across Roblox experiences. Just make sure your name follows Roblox's community rules, otherwise it may be reset automatically.